Hello, I'm Richard and this is the iStudio, and in today's video we're going to look at how to use Apple Notes with video calling. So here's my little setup for video calling, my iPad and my small Bluetooth keyboard. In this example we're going to use the Zoom app. It's the same process for the Teams app as well. The method for FaceTime is completely different, as FaceTime, for some strange reason, doesn't support split screen. That requires a whole new video by itself. So let's open up the Zoom app, and here's where you'll find your options for your video calls. You'll notice 3 dots at the top of the screen. This is the split screen mode. We tap on that and then select the center icon and then the Notes app. And then once we're in our Notes app, we can start taking notes from our meeting. Very useful to use this because you can type notes on the go while you're on your video conference call. In the centre of the screen, you'll see a small grey line, and you can move this left or right depending on whether you want the video or note screen to be bigger. Just tap and hold and drag it from side to side. Or you can reposition it back to the centre again. Well, that's the end of today's video. I hope you got something from it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye for now.